noise pollution. Our environment is degrading rapidly and we ourselves to blame for it. The polluted air, water, and deafening noise are the result of our own activity. Even today, we are not aware of the harmful effects of noise pollution. The noise made by loudspeakers, industrial and construction, noise from marriage parties, and noise of aeroplanes disturbs us every day. It stains our nervous and disturb our sleep. People living in big cities are exposed to loud sounds day in and day out. They do not know what real peace is. This affects their working ability. Such people remain irritated and tense, and this may lead to high blood pressure. We must create an awareness about noise pollution. We should not disturb our neighbor by playing loud music. Everyone should plant more trees as trees absorb pollution. We should all work together to make our environment peaceful. Thank you. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.